Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we were diving into an important topic. You can use prepaid card on cash app. The answer is yes, but with some limitation. Stick with us as we break it all down and guide you through how to verify and use your prepaid card properly. Can you use prepaid card on cash app? Yes, but with limitations. Which limitations you are facing? First, you can link most prepaid card, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex to send money, or you can't receive deposit or withdraw funds to a prepaid card. You also can't transfer your cash app balance onto a prepaid card. So prepaid card is working one way for sending, not receiving. Verification process of prepaid card. Link the card. Go to your cash app, tap your profile icon, linked banks or add card. Enter your prepaid card details. Second step, enter verification amount. Cash app may send to a small deposit to your card issuing account. You will need to enter those exact amount in the tap app to confirm ownership. Third one is identity verification. For full access, verify your identity with full legal name, date of birth, last digit of SS, and a selfie and photo ID may required. That is for today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.